Hey guys, RadRadon here, and since I won't have enough time to get a full game review out today, I'll show you a quick and simple trick on how to get your Steam hours up in any game for free. Let's get right into it. So obviously if you want more hours in any Steam game, you'll have to open the game and let it run in the background. But with the trick I'm about to show you, you won't even need to run the game or even have it installed at all, but obviously you'll need it in your Steam library to play it. So first we're going to go to steam-idle.master.com. This program is commonly used to idle Steam games for trading card drops, so you don't need to run the game for yourself in the background. Once we're on the website, click on Download Now, and it'll be downloaded as a zip folder. Now if you don't have WinRAR on your computer to open and extract these zip files, you can go to rarlab.com. The link is on screen and in the description below. Once on the website, choose your language and either the 32-bit or 64-bit versions. If you don't know what that means or you don't know what version your PC is running, you can go to the control panel and type System in the search bar and click System Info. In this tab you'll find out if you have a 64-bit or 32-bit system, and you should download the corresponding file on WinRAR. Okay, now that we have all the downloads, let's go back to the zip file. I recommend putting it on your desktop just like I did, and right-click anywhere on the screen and create a new folder. I named mine Steam Idle, but the file name is up to you. We then want to extract that zip file's contents to our newly created folder. Hit Extract to in the top left and navigate to your desktop in the window. Mine's already on it, and find your folder that you've just created. Once you've selected it, hit OK. Now all the files have been extracted and you can actually use the program for its purpose and idle for Steam trading cards when you start the Idle Master application. But the one thing you can't do in this is choose the game you want to idle or idle any games without trading cards. So to fix this, we're going to use the steam-idle application found below. Now if you try to click it normally, it won't do anything at all. So to use it, we'll have to do some computer magic. Amazing. First, click it once and then go up to the file address bar above, right-click it, and select Copy Address as text. If you already lost your folder somehow, which I would have no clue how you did, just search steam-idle.exe in your file explorer under this PC. The application will show up, and just click it once, and then right-click it, and then go to Open File Location, and then you can do the same exact thing as we previously did, and go up to the file address bar and right-click it, and select Copy Address as text. Great, now we've got the file location. Since that's kind of a pain to do every time, let's create a text document where we can save it for future uses. I'll name mine Steam Idle Location, and I'll paste my file location in there and just save it and close it. Although that step's not necessary, it can save you lots of time in the future. Okay, now let's get into the technical bit. Go into your computer's search bar and search CMD or a command prompt. Either should work, and then open it. Now it might look kind of scary, but we're only writing 2 lines of code that are very easy to remember. And if you ever forget it or get stuck, they're written below in the description. First step is to write capital CD and then hit space. Then you want to right-click and paste your file location. Now you should have CD and then your file location with a space between it. If you have that done, click Enter. On the next line, we'll type steam-idle.exe, the application we were talking about earlier, and then the next part we need is the game's ID or number. To find any game's ID on Steam, you can go to the Steam page in the Steam store, and in the link there will be a number. Every game is different for everyone, so don't copy mine as it could be a different game for you. Once you've got your game's ID, copy it and get ready to paste it. In this case, I'm going to idle CSGO, which is number 730 for me. So I'll hit space after the text we typed, and I'll right-click and paste it. Now we have steam-idle.exe and the game's ID right after it. If you have that, hit Enter. It might take a few seconds to pop up, but you'll have a window open that says You're now in game, with an image of the game you've selected. You can now see on my profile that says I'm in game, and this will count for my Steam hours played. Now that you've got everything set up, you can use this for any Steam game you have, just as long as you have the Steam Idle Master program that we download first, and the game ID found on the Steam store. If you ever get confused on how to do it, I'll put a text walkthrough below too. Thanks for watching, If you found it informational or helpful in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See ya.